Are you a dentist in India and wondering how to show up someone search like maybe best dental clinic near me or best implant doctor near me or something like that? And this is the one free tool, and it literally double or triple your inquiry every month if you use this in efficient way. No, this is not a Facebook ads or maybe Instagram reposting or something else. This is a free tool from the Google, and it is called Google My Business or GMB or Google My Business Profile. There are several names. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete details of that, how you can set up the Google My Business so that you come on top when the people are searching for the particular keyword. And in most of the in India, most of the people, I can say that 95% of people knows about the Google My Business, but it's not in the right way. It's completely wrong way. Okay, most clinic either haven't claimed their GMP profile or haven't set up correctly in the right manner, in the for the right keywords or for the right category, so and so. So, but in this video, I'm going to show and break down everything here. So, before we move forward, hi, myself Inayyat, founder, Go Systemizer, source-based software, and scale up today marketing agency, and specifically for this a dental growth engine agency which is specifically helping for the dentists like you to grow their business, scale their business, and set up an entire ecosystem so that you can literally set up this one time and get the leads and on and on. Okay, so now let's move to the uh, to set up how to use this Google My Business and all the things. Okay, for that I'm going to share my screen here, and let me share. So here is my screen. So Google My Business is literally your online storefront, and if you use this in efficient way, there is no shortage of patient inquiry for your practice. Let's say if you are a if you don't have the Google My Business profile, what to do, and if you have that, what you can do that. First and foremost, that if you want to use the Google My Business or GMB, you should be logged in with your Gmail ID. That is primary requirement. Let's say if you have already, what you can do that, just type that Google My Business, or maybe you can search kind of, let's say you can search here um, google.com/business. Or maybe you can do this. Okay. So now what will happen? There are two or three options here. One is that first, if you already logged in and if you don't have a GMB, and it may give the page is like this. Okay. See, if you are managing multiple the profiles like us as an agency owner or maybe coach, trainer, consultant, those who are working for multiple the businesses, that will give something different else. And now if you see this sign in here, okay. So if you are not sign it, you have to sign in. Otherwise, what you can do, you can get started here. So when you click on this get started, it will ask you that business name and business category. Let's say when you type your business name, maybe clinic name, sometime what will happen, the Google itself already before you, it might have listed. Okay, but you have not claimed that. Then what you need to do, you need to claim. If when you type your business name is not appearing, then you need to set the Google My Business profile for your clinic. Now let's say start building your business profile here. So very important thing is here that whatever we are going through, this all should be very accurate and very precise, because when you are submitting the verification, Google will ask the proof of document, and that is the very important for you. Okay. So now if you see that first and foremost is that you need to set up your business name. Let's say, for example, I will type A1 Clinic here, and once I click on A1 Clinic, create a business with this name, or there are multiple businesses which appears. It may be one of yours. If it is, then you need to click and you need to claim. So now what we can do, we'll go ahead and click on this business name, and we'll select this and move forward. Here, first and foremost, very important is that business category. How you can do the business category, there are various topics in that and a very detailed explanation required for that. I will take it up in next video. But business category, you need to, let's say, for example, a dentist. You are a dentist, right? You can maybe choose the dental implanter or maybe dental implanter provider or whatever. So let's what we can do. Now we'll go with select with the dentist. Once you select this, And you need to be very specific and very importantly selecting the category, because if you do wrong here, then when people are searching the dentist near me, your profile will not even appear even fourth, fifth, or sixth pages also. So once it is done, click on the next. Once this is clicked that, do you want to add the location? Customer can visit like a store or office. Yes, of course, you need to add the location. You need to set up the location very accurately. Yes, say yes, and click on the next. So what you need to do, you need to enter the business address here. So since we are into the India, selected here, it's already there here. Select the street, select the city and PIN code and state. So let's say, for example, I will select something which is a default already address is there. I'm selecting that, but that may not be accurate. Okay. Let's say I'll select the Bangalore. Right, next move forward. So business address, and this business is okay. First care clinic, clinic, A1 healthcare clinic, something. Okay, so that's what it is giving now. Some of the probable the listing which already Google might have done previously, by default it is giving that. Is if it's not, none of these, then just you need to clear that none of these and go next. So now place your pin. We need to place your pin. Just I'm just going ahead without doing, because this I'm doing for the demo purpose. I will not send this for the verification. Do you provide a deliveries or home and office visit? No, because we will not do that, and click on the next. It's very straightforward process. Okay. Now, what contact detail do you want to show to customer? And let's say, for example, I will give one of the just a number. It may be not accurate. Okay. But for you, it should be very accurate. Otherwise, what will happen is that verification will not happen. Okay. Website, it is saying that optional, but I recommend highly recommend that you need to create your website, because it's depend. Nowadays Google My Business is considering as a website is very important factor for giving the ranking and known as a authentic business provider. So right now I'm clicking the next. Okay, so but you need to add your the website here very much accurately. Okay, so we'll move forward here. See, since I'm managing multiple account here, that it is asking me, you are now verified. You can reply to the reviews and all the things. But it should not be like this, because I'm managing multiple things. It's asking me kind of business profile. Okay. But anyway, so next thing is that very importantly, what you need to do that have to add the precise working hours and holidays when you are working or when you are not working, and that is very much important. Let's say, for example, Sunday is most of the clinics may be closed, and timing you can add open at maybe select maybe kind of 10 a.m. To maybe uh, kind of almost 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. Something like that. You select all the things, okay? But important thing is that you should not be adding that 24/7, because you will not operate 24/7 as a clinic owner. If yes, of course, you have the hospital which is 24/7, yes, you need to. But the thing is that, let's say 10 a.m. you are telling 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. and before that, if you are not available and if someone goes there, if it is closed and it is people will give the bad reviews or negative comments and negative feedback, and that will affect very much for your business profile. Okay, and one important tips I can give you that, let's say, for example, if you want to increase the visibility, if you want to really grow your business, one tip is that, let's say most of the businesses closes or clinic closes Sunday. If you can open Sunday, and that is a game changer for you. And this is an one tips. Let's say I'll just go ahead here. Yeah, I selected just one day, because to keep moving with this video, you need to add that. And next you need that adding the description. You see that 750 characters here you can add, but the most of the people what they will add that we are the clinic in some XYZ area and location. Take this an AI help if you don't know, but I know that you are a dentist and a doctor, you are highly skillful for your profession, whatever you are doing, but you need to add the description. Okay, next click on that. And see, in the description, you need to add that what you are doing, what is your credibility, and this is how long you are there, and what are the facilities available. Everything you need to add that. And that is where the Google will consider the most of the keywords. Okay. Next, add a storefront photo. It's nothing but your clinic photo you need to add, and select the images, whatever, and it should be, see, it is very important. Right now, what I will do, I have some of my images. I will just add here to show you how you can add the photos. See, your business name, your storefront, your website, all your the business name, address, and everything should be very crisp, clear in everywhere. Otherwise, what will happen? Google will get confused and it will not help you to rank whatever the keywords you're using. And again, add the photos for your business. There's no limit for the adding the photos. You can add the photos for your other business. It may be clinic inside, outside, when you're practicing. Maybe take a consent of your patients, or if they don't want to show face, just blur the face and add the photos. It what will happen? It will increase the authority of your clinic and all the so and so. Okay, right now I'm just clicking skip. Now, advertise easily in minute. No, we don't want to advertise right now. That you can take it up later stages. Okay. Now, try Google Workspace. No, don't take all this. It will asking some of the promoting you on Google as well. Their product. Your edits will be visible once you are verified. You can continue to make updates to your profile anytime. Okay. What we do, we go and continue. But we will not submit for the verification right now. So these are the process you can follow to be precisely build your the business profile, but verification is very important. So in nutshell, if I talk, if I summarize, you need to create your Google My Business profile if you don't have, or if you have, you need to claim, okay, and adding the keywords and selecting the category, adding the photos, business address, description, and keep on adding the photos related to your services and maybe kind of offers. This will help Google to help your business. Someone is searching like a best dental clinic near me or implanter clinic near me and so and so. So with this, if you like kind of, let's say if you want to scale your business and if you want to grow your dental practice, so if you consider this myself as an authority or I can help you, definitely you can reach out me. In the description there is a checklist which I created that is very helpful for you. You just take a survey of that and know what is working, what is not working. You download that. After downloading that, you still need our help. Yes, of course you can think of that whether we can work or not together based on our one-to-one session. If you would like to connect with me and book an appointment with me so that we can talk in the how we can work together and how I can help you to scale your dental practice. So I hope this video and this information, whatever I gave here, is that helpful for you. And yeah, with that, I'm ending this video. Will be come up with some other valuable videos related to your dental practices. Okay, with that, take care. Bye.